want to show you guys how to fix your brakes. If your brakes make sounds when you brake, probably means there are a number of reasons that causes that, but what happened to mine was the brakes got contaminated. So what you're going to do is tire first. You're going to loosen this, then you clean this with a cloth and alcohol. What I'm using as my alcohol is this. Since I don't have alcohol, I'm using a disinfectant. So as long as alcohol is inside, applied, get a plier. So we're looking at this in between, and clip it. After that, you push it out. What to do is sand the top with the sandpaper. Then when you are done sandpaper, you clean the surface with alcohol.